In today's video, we're doing a part 2 of 15 IKEA items that will transform your living. These are all unique finds that you don't see every day, but have great functionality and ease of use. Make sure you stick around till the end for my favorite at number 15. As someone who's all about overnight oats and fruity parfaits, I'm very excited to share this next find with you. This glass jar with insert. For only $5.99, you get this sleek combo of glass and stainless steel. What makes this so unique is the insert inside. It's just perfect for keeping your nuts and fruits separate, so no more worrying about anything turning mushy. It's brilliant for storing fresh fruits and nuts right on top. Now, you've probably seen this version everywhere in coffee places, but it comes in plastic. So stumbling across this gem at IKEA is a total game changer. Now I can whip up my favorites at home and carry them in this adorable container, ready to grab and go anytime. How cool is that? Another great item for the kitchen is this Pegboard drawer organizer for $24. I love this organizer. It is by far the best lid and pan holder I've ever used. This Pegboard organizer comes with 32 adjustable pegs that can easily be customized to your needs. It's great for organizing pots and pans, plates, and food containers. It's also great if you have deep kitchen drawers. This will allow you to stack different items without leaning or falling whenever the drawers are open or closed. It's also great for keeping the content inside your drawer from getting disorganized or moving around. It's so clever. Simply just place the pegs according to what you're storing. My only wish is that it comes in white so it will better blend with more of my drawers. On the furniture side, I want to include this Daybed at $527. It comes in the dark gray or white. It's perfect for an office that turns into a guest bedroom or a small living space. Like with all IKEA products, this bed is well designed and works very well. It's a sofa by day and a bed by night. It even can hold up to 2 people comfortably. The 2 larger drawers give plenty of space for comforters, pillows, and bed linens. What I think is really nice about this daybed is that it's so much better than comparable fold-out couches out there, and it also looks really nice and sleek. This food container from IKEA is very unique. It sells for $8.99. And what's special about this is the lid. When you pop the lid on top, it forms a crazy strong vacuum. I was shocked to see how sturdy it is. A good seal like this one means that your food stays fresh and longer and keeps the right temperature. Whether it's hot or cold, it's just perfect and just right. This is microwave safe, freezer safe, dishwasher safe, and even oven safe. The container is made of glass, so it won't absorb any odor, and it's so easy to clean. It's a great product if you're looking to switch out from plastic containers. Have you ever found yourself tripping over cables or looking at a messy desk full of them? Well, I got the thing for you. Brand new to IKEA, this cable organizer is just $6.99. It can hold all those pesky wires, chargers, power strips, and allow them to be all stored in this white box. The way that it's designed allows you to pull out any cables from the side and charge your iPhone and tablets conveniently. Love this product. I also love how it's white, so it's pretty discreet. And if you can hide all your messy cables, it instantly will elevate the space that you're living in. This pegboard is one of the best items for getting organized. It's so popular at IKEA, and I definitely want to highlight this. You can hang it on a wall or mount it on a desk. It comes in colors white, black, and wood. IKEA offers a variety of selections on hooks, containers, elastic cords, and shelves that you can purchase to completely customize it any way you like. They even sell this connector which allows you to attach it to any desk. It's especially helpful when you need to divide up the space. What I do love most about this is that once you hang everything up, it's so neat and it's so easy to find the items that you need because you can see it right there. Use it in your kitchen, office, or garage. There's so many options for storing things with this pegboard. Highly recommend this product. On the cute gadget side, I want to show you this dimmable LED light for $12.99. I would use this for under the cabinet, and I love it for this purpose. It is slim and easy to fix in place wherever you need to add some lighting. You can use this light horizontally or vertically. It's so easy to fix in place. Just remove the paper from the self-adhesive tape and stick it to wherever you need. This light has 3 different levels of light intensity, so you can easily adjust it. There is a built-in touch dimmer that you can turn on and off and dim the lamp with only a touch of your finger. It's so practical, you can even light up small places in your home, and it's super slim. This light is powered by rechargeable batteries that can be charged by a mini USB connected to an outlet or a power bank. This picnic blanket for $29.99 is the next item I want to show you. It comes with handy adjustable straps so you can carry it over your shoulder and bring it anywhere. I think it's important because items for the outdoors need to be convenient. If you're going out on a hike or to the beach, you definitely want to be as hands-free as possible. This picnic blanket is also waterproof and feels very thick. So even if you're perched on a harder surface, you can count on a comfy sit down. Summer is around the corner, and grab this cube ice cube trays to make fun ice cubes. This tray is just $2.99 and lets you make your ice cubes in these cool shapes. The mold is also big enough that it lets you put in fresh fruits, lemon slices, and mint leaves in those ice cubes. This would be a big hit with kids. The shape also works well for freezing puree food. They are designed in such a way that ice cubes can easily fall out effortlessly, so they won't get stuck like other trays. The bright yellow makes the tray also easy to find, whether it's stored in the freezer or a kitchen drawer. Next up, I really like this rail with 4 hooks and 2 containers. There's so much practicality when it comes to storing different items with these solutions of hooks and cups that you can add on. There's even an option to add a shelf. It's so space saving for even small places. I would use this in the kitchen to hang all my kitchen utensils, sponges, towels. You can put it in the bathroom sink for razors, contact lenses, other toiletries, and hang a wet face cloth. You can even add this to your closet to hang jewelry and other small items. This milk frother for $3 is one of our favorite IKEA finds. It's so affordable and it just works. I use it to froth my coffees in the morning and it takes just 15 seconds. It whips my coffee to perfection. You can use this also to whip eggs and other items. It's so easy to use, it's great price. It helps me save money and keeps me out of the coffee shop. Declutter and organize with IKEA storage unit from $9.99. IKEA offers these storage compartments to help keep you organized and keep your small things in order. These compartments are so practical, and that's why we included them in the video. The different compartments will help keep things tidy. I love that you're able to lay products flat in these trays and have additional trays over on top. It saves a lot of space that way, and you can easily see what you're looking for. They are also pretty durable and easy to clean when you need to. But what I love most about these is that it will perfectly fit in your bathroom drawers. Next, new to IKEA is this pop-up sun and wind shelter for $35. It's cute but super functional. I love the bright colors of blue and green. If you're heading to the beach anytime soon, then this is the perfect item to have. I've actually been looking for something like this for the beach. It's a great way to cover up your kids and babies from the sun, wind, and sand. It's also good for camping. It looks totally private. Compared to beach umbrellas, I personally prefer this for several reasons. 1, it's not easily blown away. 2, it looks easy to set up. You just have to put sand on the side to hold the whole thing down. 3, there are also pockets on the side to store your sunscreen, sunglasses, books, and phones. 4, it's convenient to pack away and is very light to carry around. Next up is this sleek looking knife sharpener for $15. If you've struggled to find a good knife sharpener, then this one is definitely for you. It can sharpen different types of blades and knives in all steel qualities. It has different slots for fine, medium, or coarse sharpening. A tip to using this is to add a little cooking oil to the sharpener and run the blade through the first wheel 20 times. Then repeat it in the second and third wheel. This should get your knife pretty sharp. I hope you guys like this item because it's super handy to have around the kitchen. This ring lamp with phone holder is an amazing product for $39.99. It's really great for filming with your iPhone. It comes with both the light and the phone stand, which can be separated out. The holder keeps your phone in place with a firm grip while you're filming. Both the lamp arm and the mobile phone holder can be adjusted 360. And it's so easy to use. This is much better than other similar products that I've used in the past that requires turning different knobs to adjust the rotation or filming angles. The light has 3 different modes, so you can adjust from cool to warm to cold. It also has different dim settings, so it lets you dim to different intensity. I'm completely obsessed with this product because it's so easy to use and it just works. And there you have my 15 new hidden finds from IKEA. Let us know which ones you liked, your experience using any of these. Next, check out my part 1 video if you haven't already done so, and remember to like and subscribe to our channel.